Wow, what a beautiful coconut made handcraft jar. This is completely made from coconut. All this also a coconut, and the top lid. I will open this. Wow, look at this. Everything the top, all are coconut. How nicely they made this coconut. Okay, I think it taken some hard work to do this. So we can use this for the spice, storing the spices, salt, sugar, and I have ordered this in Amazon, so I can put that in link. So if anyone want to buy this beautiful handcraft, you can buy this in this link. So I have mentioned in the description. Okay, thank you.